Hey everyone, Lipa and Augustinus Bader. Did we really need this collaboration? Probably not. But here we are, and I've tried it all and paid for it all. So let's talk. Firstly, let's address the elephant in the room. Augustinus Bader. You know, the brand that launched with that one cream? You know, the cream that was supposedly all you needed for perfect skin? And now there is an entire skincare empire. Funny how that works. But let's put the marketing nonsense aside and let's talk about actual products. We're going to start with a balancing cream cleanser. Now look, it's nice, very nice, creamy, gentle, and it doesn't strip the skin. It does exactly what a £32 cleanser should do. It cleans your face brilliantly. Next up is the Supercharged Glow Complex, £65. This is where I started to raise an eyebrow because I haven't had Botox. And in a good way, it gives this instant, beautiful luminosity, not glittery, just healthy skin that looks plump, hydrated, and alive. It's really, really good. And finally, we've got the Renewal Cream. Now this is £60, and this feels like a lighter, more user-friendly version of the original. It sinks right in. It makes your skin feel incredibly soft and hydrated. It's a fantastic moisturizer. So here's my final thoughts. The products are genuinely brilliant. They feel luxurious, and more importantly, they actually seem to work. It also feels a little bit like Rhode by Hailey Bieber in that these are meant for a more mature market, which I love. But let's just circle back to the nonsense. There is a lot of marketing fluff here, and the story has evolved from one magic cream to an entire routine that you now apparently need. My verdict is this: look, if you have the money and you want to treat yourself, you'll probably absolutely love this line. The formulas are top notch, and I will continue to use them. However, great skin doesn't have to cost this much. But if you're going to spend, this is a very good place to start. It's also a lot cheaper than Augustinus Bader. Just go in with your eyes open and, well, enjoy the glow. See you next time. Bye-bye. Subscribe. I've run out of ways to look humble about it.